Hi students, today we are discussing about advertising campaign. Do you hear the term campaign? What do you mean by campaign? The word campaign, it's a army origin. That means it came from army, but it means an organized and carefully planned operations of the armed force during the war. So from this title we can say that a campaign is an organized course of action for a specific purpose, for attaining a specific task or purpose. Okay, and in the case of advertising, an advertising campaign is an organized course of action to promote a product or service. Clear? So, in advertising, the term campaign is being used for organized and well-planned use of a paid form of publicity. So, it is a planning process or a well-organized process, that is advertising campaign. We know that in business, without planning there is no activity. Okay, that is, planning is the first step in the management process. It aims at deciding what is to be done, by whom it is to be done, how it is to be done, and within given time period and budget. Okay, there is planning in every field of the company, that is in every field, that is in production, financial, finance department, or in marketing. And advertising is also includes the planning process. So advertising planning leads to campaign planning or advertising campaign planning. So we can say that managing an advertising campaign is the process of preparing and integrating a specific program. Okay. Look into the picture. Do you remember this advertising campaign? The Incredible India. It was a hit advertising campaign, Indian tourism campaign. It is relating to a service, tourism marketing. It is related with tourism marketing, but it contained a series of advertisements. That is advertising campaigns. It is a series of advertisements, a continuous advertisements, which is promotes a particular product or service. Okay. Then let us discuss what is an advertising campaign. An advertising campaign is a series of advertisement messages that share a single idea or theme which make up an integrated marketing communication. What is an integrated marketing communication? An integrated market communication is a platform in which a group of people share their ideas, beliefs, and concepts into one large media base. Okay, a group of people, they can jointly form a group and they can share their ideas, beliefs, and concept into a larger group for a media base. That is an IMC. And advertising campaigns usually utilize diverse media channels over a particular time frame and target identified audiences. Okay, so it utilizes or it exploits the media channels over a particular time frame in order to focus the target or identified audiences. Okay, and the central theme or message, the campaign theme, which means it is the central message that will be received in the promotional activities and is the prime focus of advertising campaign. That means in an advertising campaign, the basic focus or the prime focus is the central message or the central theme. There will be a theme or message which is to be disseminated or to be informed or conveyed to the audience. So this is the prime focus of every advertising campaigns. And the campaign themes are usually produced with the objective of being used for a significant period, but many of them are temporary due to factors like ineffective market conditions or due to competitions, etc. That means While we know advertisement is a huge investment process. So while we are introducing a series of advertisements continuously, the basic objective is to it is usually focused or mainly for a particular period of time, basically for a significant period of time. But in some cases it may not be work. That means in certain situations the market may respond in a reverse manner. That means we will expect something more some more response from the part of the consumers or from the market. But the advertisement did not or it is not to be appreciated by the consumers up to a great level, or it's something good. So in such a situation the company have to withdraw the advertisement from the market. It may be due to some ineffective advertisement strategy or something like that, or sometimes it may be due to some other market conditions or due to some competition or some of the other strategies applied by the competitors. It also affects our advertising campaigns. Okay. And basically the advertising campaigns are built to accomplish a particular objective or a set of objectives. And such objectives usually include establishing a brand, raising brand awareness, aggrandizing the rate of conversions or sales. And the basic objectives or some of the objectives usually included in the advertising campaigns may be establishing a particular brand, or raising the brand awareness, or conveying the about the brands to the customers, and aggrandizing means increasing the rate of conversion or increasing the sales or turnover of the company. These are the basic objectives which is to be accomplished through an advertising campaign. And there are 5 key points at which an advertising campaign must consider to ensure an effective campaign. And these points are integrated marketing communications, media channels, positioning, the communication process diagram, and touch points. Integrated marketing communication, we already said that it is a platform where a group of people can share their ideas, beliefs, etc. So it is a conceptual approach used by the majority of organizations to develop a strategic plan of how they can broadcast or market their advertising campaigns. Then second key point is media channels, also known as marketing communication channels. These are used to create a connection with the target consumers. Okay. The next is positioning. Positioning is an important marketing concept that business implement to market their products or services. And the positioning concept focus on creating an image that will best attract the intended audience. That means it is the process of positioning a particular product or brand in the minds of the customers. The next is the communication process diagram. It refers to the order of operation an advertising campaign pieces together the flow of communication between a given organization and the consumer. It shows the order of operation. That means through which an advertising campaign, how it communicates in between the organization and the consumer. The next is touch points. Okay, the touch points helps the brand to develop a point of contact between themselves and the consumers. That is, modern day there is a relationship in between the consumer and the organization. Okay, or brand relationship. And the common examples of such touch points means social media links and QR codes, etc. are some of the examples for touch points.